Hey everyone, and welcome back to edritt. In this lecture, we are going to study about octal number systems. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start. So, what is octal number system? Octal number. In octal number system, the radix r has a value equal to 8, which means it has 8 possible symbols. Now, what are those symbols? Those symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now see, the R was 8 over here, but the max number is R minus 1, which is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So the max number in any number system is equal to R minus 1. Okay. Again, here we will have same combination like, what are the possibilities which this can take if there is an n digit octal number system, then again, for a 3 digit, we have 1, 2, and 3 spaces that can go from 0 to 0 to 7. This can go from 0 to 7. This can go from 0 to 7. Total 8 raised to power 3 combinations are there. Here again, it will be 8 raised to power n combinations. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.